everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try these Chinese makeup. So my sister stayed in China for a while and she came back with this gift for me. So today I'm gonna try a couple of these Chinese makeup products for the first time. So the first product I'm gonna try is from the brand FOCALLURE. My sister said this is an eyeshadow palette and this is number BB01. This packaging is very beautiful, like sparkling paper. Oh, this is very wearable brown base eyeshadow. Okay, yeah, but this packaging is very pretty. Like, this feels very luxe. These are the swatches, and the mattes are really pigmented, so I feel this is gonna be a good palette. So first I'm gonna put this light shade with Zoeva 228 brush. And next I'm gonna put this medium shade with Refer 28 brush. I'm gonna use this light shade to the lower lash line. And I'm gonna use the darkest shade with same Refer to brush. I'm gonna use this white shade to clean the edges. Oh, this is very pigmented. And lastly, I'm gonna put this glittery color to the lower lash line. And a little bit on the lid. Okay, so this is the look. Overall, I really liked this shadow's texture, and this glittery topper is really giving off the Chinese vibes. Yeah, I really like this palette. And the next product my sister gave me is these false lashes. This is like partial false lashes. These are for upper lashes and these tiny ones are lower lashes. So I'm gonna try these false lashes off camera and come back. Okay, so I put false lashes and I don't know, I am not a big fan of false lashes and I couldn't attach these tiny lower lashes. This is very tiny. These were very hard to attach, but anyways. So the next product she gave me was this lip tint. This is Pink Bear Bubble Light Liquid Tint in the shade B460. So this is very cute packaging. This is like coral red kind of color. Okay, so this is the lip tint. This is glowy lip tint, but I feel this is gonna be a little bit transfer proof after it dries up. So the last product she gave me is this ice cream watery lip gloss. Let's open it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at this. This like detail is perfect. This lip gloss is tinted, so I'm gonna wipe this off. So this is a lip gloss. I don't know if you can see, but this has a little bit of sparkles in it, and that is so pretty. So overall, I really enjoyed these Chinese makeup products. So I want to try out more of these Chinese products in the future. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you on the next video. Bye.